Hey guys, it's me, Mr. Mario. I'm sorry if this sounds terrible. It's past 2 in the morning. Um, Pretty much what happened today. I had to work, I had to finish up a project, all this other stuff, and then a friend had a birthday party, which was a rave type thing, and I went there, and then it's dancing around, yelling, all that other stuff, and then there was another party followed after that, and all this other stuff. But I am exhausted right now, but I want to bring you guys this video because I love you all so much. This is actually filmed at work today. I went in for about an hour, and this computer was having an issue with the motherboard. What happened was the computer would boot up for 2 seconds, and then that was it. I couldn't access BIOS, I couldn't do anything. So what happened was I called up Dell, and because this is still under warranty, this is not my computer, it's one of the work computers, because it's still under warranty, I was able to get a new motherboard for free. All I have to do is send back the old motherboard. They even sent me a new power supply just in case my power supply was bad, which I knew it wasn't. But this really changed my opinion of Dell. I didn't like them as much before, and I mean, I'm not a big fan of their computers, but their customer service is great. Anyways, the reason why I filmed this was because this was my very first motherboard swap. Now, the bad motherboard, you might have seen me draw a B on it right there. That was the one I pulled out. I didn't film myself pulling it out, but I am filming myself putting this one in. So it really wasn't that hard, and maybe took me in total 20 minutes, I'd say, to do. Actually putting the motherboard in, like this video right here, took about 10 minutes. But yeah, that's it. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking, I'll put on some music, and I'll speed up the video. Alright, so now I slowed down the video again, but as you can see, I'm going to show you, take the camera off, the computer is now working, which might not seem like that big of a deal, but it wasn't working before, so all I had to do was enter the service tag to initialize the motherboard, and everything was set up. So that's it. I was pretty happy it got to work again. Thanks for watching, you guys.